We are not able to explain to the decision makers, ultimate decision makers, what we want to do. What is the purpose of doing this?
As a leader, as an officer, one is always under some kind of observation of your peers, your superiors, and most importantly, the people placed under you. And that's where the accountability is, and one gets that feeling all the time.
We have been rescuing people, rescuing lives, flood situation, building collapses, all sorts of situations which is bound to give you stress. And not to me only, up to the last man on the ground, it is giving us stress.
We want to find a place in the department, we want to be recognized. So we really run a lot, putting everything backseat, and we can't take a break.
When I was doing Sudarshan Kriya, I could feel that suddenly everything came to a standstill. It's a very, very unique experience which I had in my life.
There is a level of calmness, some additional calmness. Suddenly, somebody is putting you to sleep, that kind of feeling, I would say.
In Art of Living, which I'm finding is, you are being trained, your mind is being trained to handle that stress, to handle that pressures which we are having, multi-side pressures. So I think this should be made compulsory.
Probably I am a bit late. I should have attended this program a bit early. The biggest takeaway I want to say about this, that all of us breathe, but we never know that breathing itself is a powerhouse. Through breathing, if you can control the stress levels, it's like a magic.
बहुत पसंद आया और मुझे नशा है उसका जब सुदर्शन क्रिया ग्रुप में जो कराते हैं.
I think when I carry this experience back home, when I start working, I can always plan my day or plan my work. One exercise today, what our course coordinators offered was, on a piece of paper using the crayons, write what you would like to do for the organization. So my idea was to cut down on the procedures and the red tape in bureaucracy. So this is the thought-provoking exercise, which is very unique. Rather than asking questions, we have searched for answers within. This is one training program which I feel now I should have attended 10 years back.
The most practical thing which I found it useful was, in every job, and particularly in a job of a field bureaucrat, there are so many issues at the same time which bother you. तो सुदर्शन क्रिया करते करते मुझे ये फील हुआ कि वो जो फिल्टरिंग प्रोसेस है हमारे माइंड में जो होना चाहिए ना, that becomes very effective.
I am able to feel better in many aspects. I am able to feel free actually. All our the stress which is embedded in our mind, those things are actually thrown away. Had I got this kind of exposure 20 years back, I would have done better.
How to keep myself composed, how to handle people. If I don't have this kind of training where I learn compassion, I learn sympathy towards my own people, I will not bother about that poor person.
Talking to each one of them separately, and they're speaking from the heart. Like we had the focus group discussion. You can't imagine how candid they are. They will never be like this place. That magic has worked. But one common theme that came: everybody wants to do something. So those ideas are getting clear in their heads. Besides that, it is a thing which they are going to take for life.
जितना हम अपने भीतर स्थिर हो जाते हैं, शांत हो जाते हैं, प्रसन्न हो जाते हैं अंदर से, उतना हम कामयाब हो जाते हैं. When there is purity in heart, clarity in mind and sincerity in action, everything succeeds the way it should.